Gypsum is an industrial byproduct gypsum obtained by coal burning or oil burning industrial enterprises after treatment of sulfur dioxide in flue gas, and its processing and utilization is very significant. Desulphurization gypsum pelletizing machine has the advantages of strong extrusion capacity, not easy to wear, long service life, and the equipment can be long-term normal, high-speed and stable operation, which is favored by the majority of users. It can make all kinds of waste through forced supercharging, prepressing screw precision processing, and make high-density pellets in the process of pressing, adding adhesive and raw materials mixing evenly, and then through the roller extrusion, the or powder molding. Molding rate can be up to 100%. Desulphurization gypsum ball pressing machine can press a variety of shapes of pellets. The desulphurization gypsum ball pressing mechanism for forming materials, energy saving and environmental protection, easy to transport, can effectively improve the utilization rate of waste. It has good economic and social benefits.